Okay guys, I will be walking you through on how you can start your own free digital skills course on the Google Digital Skills for African platform. Okay, so I am using Chrome, so you may also want to use Chrome, but if you don't have Chrome, I would encourage you to download Chrome on your laptop, but anyone that is available to you can suffice. So here is my browser. So on the search box, I will type Google Digital Skills for Africa. It's already there, so I will put it up. So the first result on display is this one, so I'll click up on it. Okay, this is the portal, so you'll see the Google Digital Skills for Africa. You have the home, the topic library, the partners, and more. Okay, you click on the more, you will see tools, helps and facts, feedbacks and collaborators. Okay, now you have get started, you have sign in, and you have start learning. Okay, here you will click on start learning. I have already clicked on it, and it brings us to this page, login information. It says start your free digital training. First, we need to set up your account and personal learning plan. Okay, I would encourage you to use this first option if you have an email, a Gmail. So if you don't have, create a Gmail because it works with a Gmail account. Okay, while we wait for it to load, okay, it's already loaded. Okay, now it will require you to sign in to your account. Now this is my account, so I will sign in and I'll put my password and I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so it's already showing me redirected. Okay, I've already come on. Okay, here is the registration proper. So it says let's get started. Tell us about yourself so we can make your personal plan. Okay, so here you have the personal details. This name will appear on your official digital skills certificate. So after the program, you also have to have at the back of your mind that you're going to get a certificate. So you put your name as you want it to be written on your certificate. Okay, so this is the first name. The first name is your birth name. Okay, so mine is Nzube Chukwu. Okay, now my last name is my surname, which is Chizota. Okay, all right, so the question says email preferences. Would you like to receive emails with tips on improving your digital skills? So you would go for yes, please. Can our research partners occasionally contact you to get your feedback? You get a yes for that. So do you want to receive emails about new courses or related products? Okay, of course you would want emails for new courses or related products, so you go for yes. So after that you go to next. Okay, it's quite easy to use. Okay, now it brings us to the lesson proper. Now you can get started. Okay, so you have the introduction, the topics. You have about 106 lessons and about 26 courses. Okay, that's 26 batches. So at every lesson you complete, there is a skill to be learned. Okay, so this particular introduction should teach you lead generation skills. Okay, now you will have it on display at every course you start. Okay, so if you are here with me, you can now go on start learning and you can begin. Okay, so you take your time. They say welcome to your first learning. Watch the videos, test your knowledge with fun activities, then complete each topics with the final assessment based on real life situations. Okay, now you can go further to check what is there. So be in control with your dashboard. So now it's teaching you how you can navigate your way around the web. Okay, the platform. Wonder how you're getting on? Check in on your progress, start new topics, or review the badges you've achieved. So but I will skip it. But if you want to continue, you can also continue to see more, so much more. can learn. So also to show you. Okay, now we'll say skip. Now this is the first lesson, so I will leave it here for you to start. I've already completed this course. I put up this one together so that I can help you understand how to go around the platform. Okay,